Hey guys, it's K-Flow. So today it's my first video that I talk English, and yes, it's my real voice. I talk very good English, so yes. Sorry for that. My sister came in my room without knocking. So yes, I moved from my last house. So now my computer is on my table in my room. So yeah, I am free now. And yes, in my other channel with my BFF, we didn't do video for a long time because I don't know why, but I don't know. But she always with this girl, you know, menu here. She's always with this girl in real life, so I don't see my BFF a lot more because she's always with this. But I'm not hating. I'm happy for her. She's with her friend, and it's my friend also. But we can do a lot of other videos because of this. So I'm just gonna show you. Sorry for this. I don't know why it's there. Okay. So yeah, so we did the last video is only me, and it was on the 20 March 2018. So yeah. Oh no, it's not March, sorry. I don't know what May is in English, but sorry if I said March. I'm sorry. I'm not the best at this. What the? Okay. I'm not the best in English, but I'm really good. I'm in 4th grade in primary. I have always 100 in my exam in English class. So yeah. But I just wanted to do a video of this. And yes, I don't have my English intro, so I didn't press that, but this is just a little video to say hello to all my friends and shout out to Nino because I really love her. She's a great friend, and I hope I see her soon. So yeah, guys, that is probably it. I'll do a little video tomorrow if I could, but I do a new teen video Thursday. So yeah, goodbye everyone. Love ya.